Let me tell you about a situation that happens more often than it should. A driver is in an accident. They do a quick online search, find a shop that looks decent, and schedule the repair based mostly on location and a reasonable estimate. They drop the car off, the work gets done, and they pick it up. But something is not right. Hi, I'm Tom, Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, and I want to talk about the near miss, the moment when a driver almost made a repair decision they would have regretted. In this situation, the car comes back and the color on the repaired panel is a little off in outdoor light. The fit of the bumper is not quite right. There is a gap on one side that was not there before. And when the driver asks about it, the explanation they receive is vague and unsatisfying. Now they are stuck. The repair is technically done. The car was returned, but the result is not what they expected. And now they are trying to figure out what to do next. This is the part most people do not think about before the repair. What happens if the result is not right? Did the shop communicate clearly about their warranty? Can they go back and have it corrected? Will the shop take responsibility or deflect? The time to know the answers to those questions is before you drop the car off, not after you pick it up with a problem. What the driver in this situation eventually did was bring the vehicle to a different shop for a second opinion. And what they learned was that the original repair had cut corners on prep work, used a paint blend that was not properly adjusted for the vehicle's age, and used a bumper bracket that did not fit the vehicle correctly. All of those issues were avoidable if the first shop had taken the time to do the job right and communicate honestly. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, we believe the right approach starts before the repair ever begins. We look carefully, explain what we find, use the right parts and process, and stand behind the work we do. Because we would rather be the shop a driver trusts the first time, not the shop they come to after someone else got it wrong. If you want to get it right from the start, contact Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona. Call 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodyandpaint.com for a free estimate. We are the shop that makes the near miss unnecessary.